So I'm here again at Kensington Olympia, day 2 of the London Classic Car Show. This is the entrance, all cars going in here. We're waiting for something very, very special to show up though, in a truck. Apparently it's just around the corner looking for the entrance. Fewer cars outside today. We've got an Interceptor and this lovely Lancia. But yeah, something really special showing up in a second or two. So here we are then, London Classic Car Show, the legendary McLaren F1. This one's got a high downforce kit and originally resided in South Africa, brought here by Coys. Absolutely iconic, seminal hypercar. Can't wait to see it outside of the truck. 627 horsepower, V12. Naturally aspirated.
You ready?
Yep.
in a way, Bruce's, the success of his sports car racing is what funded his Formula 1 ambitions, because really it was Formula 1 he wanted to get into.
He did, and he wanted to make cars. The M6 GT, which he used to drive backwards and forwards.
Any other designer than Gordon Murray to actually design his first truly successful road car. Because Gordon Murray is a designer with exactly the same passion and intrigue and little bits that he looks for, same as Bruce was in creating the car. There's that attention to detail that makes that F1 so amazing. And of course, I think a lot of people I meet, it's still the track test on Top Gear that most people remember me doing from about 30 years ago now. People still remember, but the sheer joy I had driving that car around Goodwood, of course, where Sandy Bruce died, that they still remember me driving that car. To me, it will always be the greatest supercar, hypercar, megacar, whatever you want to call them. Because that is a car with no power steering, no power brakes, manual gearbox, no traction control, no computers getting between the driver and the car, which of course so many nowadays modern supercars are smothered in. So to me, that is the car I'd always dreamed of. It's also the car where I hold the UK production car Guinness fastest lap of a British circuit in a production car. Went for comic relief, which is a bad idea, thinking backwards. I drove one of those around the Millbrook Bowl to 2 mile banked bowl. I averaged 195 miles an hour, top speed was about 201. But at that speed, you about 300, all the tyres start blistering to the gory, so I nearly killed myself for comic relief, trying to get a record. But the record's still there, 195 miles an hour. And of course, we're here, we've got the we get the numbers right, I always fit your numbers.
MCL 34.
Yeah, that one. 34. Which of course was the Formula 1 car from last year in papaya orange, which got McLaren success, but actually had a pretty bad season at times. Thank you.
Can I just briefly say on behalf of the 4,000 men and women of McLaren who are working around the globe at the moment, and all of the people and the drivers who've helped bridge that gap between 1970 to here, we're hugely honoured to receive this on his behalf, and Bruce is very much alive in our hearts today, so fearlessly forward. Thank you.
Round of applause for Jonathan. Have a great show. Enjoy Olympia. See you all around. Thank you very much for your time.